Gaps today. We have a whole lot of nothing. We got ZG and Microsoft. Microsoft had earnings, doing quite well. We'll get those set and we pull that in here for you. If they want to come back, Zillow Group. Remember, we need to wait for the first 10 minutes to go by before we act on that, but I'll set something below and we'll take a look at it in a few minutes. And let's get Microsoft if that wants to come back at all.
Revise that entry to 192.
There's that. And here we are lower. Okay, those are our first two. What just triggered here?
MTP is getting very volatile.
Everything is triggering.
Holy crap. Golf, Charlie, India, and YG. Oh, there goes GD.
Let's look at Apple.
SLV. GOLD. Come on.
Apple is not an entry here.
TDU, guys.
Come on, Thinkorswim, let's go. Okay, you're seeing what I'm seeing here. Looking quite bearish. Well, weak. I'm not going to say bearish. This is a tight market, but already pretty well extended. Let's see what's happening here in the Russell.